I'm Jay, your principal migration lawyer. One question I often get is, can I apply for an Australian partner visa if I'm still legally married to someone else? It sounds like a major roadblock, doesn't it? Well, today I'm going to share a real-life case study from right here at Flow Migration Law that shows how, with careful planning and the right strategy, a successful outcome is definitely possible. So let's dive into it. So let me introduce you to our client's situation. He was a gentleman in his 40s, a Thai national, and he had been previously married and had 2 children from that marriage. Now, here's the tricky part. Although he had separated from his ex-partner years ago, they were actually still legally married. There were some delays in getting the civil divorce process finalized in his home country. In 2021, he met his new Australian partner and their relationship became serious. They wanted to build a future together in Australia, but this existing legal marriage was a significant concern. You might be wondering, why is this so complex? Well, for any partner visa, you need to prove your new relationship is genuine and continuing to the exclusion of all others. If you're still legally married to someone else, the Department of Home Affairs will naturally have questions. They need to be absolutely sure that the previous marriage is truly over in a permanent sense and that your new de facto relationship or intention to marry is legitimate. So what did we do? We knew that timing and being upfront were critical. Our client wasn't quite ready to relocate permanently and the divorce was still pending. So the first step was to apply for a visitor visa. And here is a key point. We were completely upfront with the department about his marital status. And here is a key point. We were completely upfront with the department about his marital status and his new relationship with his Australian partner. Honesty is always the best policy. This allowed him to visit Australia and spend time with his partner. Once his divorce was legally finalized, we then moved to the next stage. Because they intended to marry, the prospective marriage visa, or the subclass 300, was the logical pathway. This visa allows someone to come to Australia to marry their Australian partner. Again, all evidence of finalized divorce and the genuine intention to marry his new partner was critical. And good news, this visa was granted. After arriving in Australia on the prospective marriage visa, our client and his partner got married within the time frame of the visa. Once married, he was then eligible to apply for the onshore partner visa, the subclass 820. This application, of course, required comprehensive evidence of their married life together, building on the history of their relationship. And I'm very happy to say that this careful staged approach, focusing on transparency, meeting the requirements for each visa subclass step by step, led to a successful outcome. Our client was granted his subclass 820 partner visa, allowing him to continue build his life here in Australia with his wife. It was a fantastic result and a testament to careful planning. So what can we learn from this particular success story? Being still married isn't always a full stop. While it adds complexity, being legally married to a previous partner doesn't automatically mean you can't pursue a visa based on a new genuine relationship, especially if the previous relationship has permanently ended. Honesty is critical. Being upfront with the department about your situation from the very beginning is vital. Strategic planning is key. Sometimes the staged approach using different visas like a visitor visa or prospective marriage visa is necessary before you can apply for the partner visa itself. It's about finding the right pathway for your specific circumstances. While the initial stages might happen while the divorce is pending, for a partner visa based on marriage or a prospective marriage visa, the previous marriage needs to be legally dissolved. Navigating a partner visa application can be challenging, and even more so when there are complexities like an existing legal marriage. But as this case study has shown, with the right advice and a clear strategy, success is achievable. If you're in a similar situation or have any other complicated circumstances affecting your partner visa eligibility, please don't hesitate to contact us at Flow Migration Law. We are very experienced in handling these kinds of cases. We encourage you to book a brief chat with us to discuss your situation. You can find our contact details on our website, linked in the description box below. I hope this case study has been insightful. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more Australian immigration news, tips, and real-life case studies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.